John F. Kennedy said, "We need men that can dream of things that never were." My question to you is, how much is it costing you to not chase your dreams? How much is it costing you financially? But more importantly, how much is it costing you in your mental well-being? How much is it costing you in your peace of mind? You know, John F. Kennedy in this statement is very similar to the way the brain of Michael Jordan thinks. Michael Jordan was the greatest basketball player when he decided to dream a bigger dream. And what did he do? At the height of his dominance, he decided to leave a game that he controlled completely and go play a game that he didn't know if he could even win at, and that is baseball. He decided to throw it all away. In his prime, physical prime, mental prime, he decided to go play baseball, something that he only played as a kid because he had a dream that he would not allow to die. And here's what I believe about Michael Jordan and the way he thought about this decision. And I think it'll help us make our decisions today. He thought when he's 100 years old, he couldn't stand the fact that he didn't give himself the opportunity to know if he could be the greatest of all time in another sport. So he decided to throw it all away and go play baseball and give this a shot. For 2 years, he gave hours of his days to trying to perfect the craft of baseball. And guess what? He sucked. He failed. People laughed at him, but he was okay with egg on his face because he wanted the peace of mind when he was 99 years old in the rocking chair that he tried his all to be the best in the world at baseball. He had a dream, but guess what? He didn't get to his dream, but he got to the peace of mind knowing he left it all out there. He explored all the possibilities of the things he wanted to explore. That's what Michael Jordan did. And that's what John F. Kennedy's talking about. And so for me, I've had success in business. I have online courses. I didn't need to get on the internet, but I decided to anyways. YouTube, social media, I decided to give this my all, to try, because I couldn't live with 99-year-old Jermaine that didn't try, that didn't give it his all. So my question to you is this: what is the one thing that you know you need to do that if you don't do it when you're 99 years old on your rocking chair or on your deathbed, and you know you would regret not giving at least 2 years of your life to give it 100% effort? And if it wasn't enough, so be it. But you know the value of peace of mind that you tried your absolute best to become who you wanted to become. And if it's not enough, so be it. If you don't make the baseball all-star team like Jordan, it's okay. Because you know there's no doubt in your mind that you didn't give it 110%. And the funny thing about it, when you actually dedicate yourself to something like this, going down that dark cave that you don't want to go down, but you know you have to go down, when you see the light in that cave, you'll not only get the freedom mentally, but chances are you'll get the financial freedom, you'll get the time freedom, you'll create location freedom. You will become that future version of yourself right now. That's what I'm doing. I hope that you do the same. We'll see you next time.